So the next thing that I want to discuss is long division. So you might be asked to divide a cubic by some linear term. So the important thing to note is that despite what your teachers tell you, if you write down this here alone, most of the time you'll get a pass mark. So how do we go about doing this? So we only ever divide by what we have here. So we look at the first term inside. We're going to divide this x cubed by x. The result will go up on top. That leaves us with x squared. What we then do is multiply this x squared back down by both of these terms. When we do that, that result comes down here below. What we get is x cubed, so x squared by x will give us x cubed. X squared by 1 will give us x squared. What we then do is draw the line and change the sign. That's a crucial thing to remember. If you don't do that, your question will end up wrong. Changing the sign will give us minuses for both. We end up with 0 minus 2x squared. What we then do is bring down this minus x. And we're then dividing this here, minus 2x squared minus x, by this. It's a repetitive pattern. Divide the minus x squared by x, we're going to get minus 2x on top. This then multiplies back down by these two terms. We get minus 2x times x will give us minus 2x squared. Minus 2x by plus 1 will give us minus 2x. Draw the line, change signs, they now become both positive. This goes to 0. Minus x plus 2x gives us plus x. Bring down your 1, we're now left with x plus 1. We now divide in x plus 1 into x plus 1. We now divide x into x. We get a result of 1 on top. We then multiply the 1 back out by all of this. In doing that, we're going to get 1 times x is x. 1 times 1 is 1. Draw your line, change the signs, they both become negative. We get 0. If you get 0, you are fully correct. If you do not get 0, you've made a mistake and you need to go back and see where you've gone wrong. So another example, you may get a 0 when you subtract. So dividing x plus 2 into 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x minus 4. X plus 2 into 2x cubed gives us 2x squared. Multiply that out by both of these terms, you'll get 2x cubed plus 4x squared. Draw the line, change the sign. When you look here, subtracting 2x cubed plus 4x squared from itself gives 0. So what do we do then? All we must do then is bring down both of these terms here. These both come straight down. You divide x plus 2 into them. You're going to get minus 2 up above. Multiplying back out the minus 2 by x plus 2, we get minus 2x minus 4. Drawing the line, changing the sign, everything goes to 0. Okay, so one final example. We're dividing x cubed plus 6x minus 9 by x minus 3. Now note we have no x squared term. So in this case, what do we do? Well, we just write in this case, we just write in 0x squared. So dividing in, we're going to have x cubed divided by x gives x squared. Multiply back out by both terms, you'll get x cubed minus 3x squared. Now, write in 0x squared here, draw the line, change your sign. You're now going to have 0 plus 3, so you're going to have plus 3x squared here. Drag down your 6x, divide in again, you're going to get 3x on top. Multiply the 3x back out again by the two terms, put your answer down here. Your initial answer is going to be 3x times x, which is plus 3x squared. 3x times minus 3 would be minus 9x. Draw your line, change the sign. You're going to get minus 3x minus 9. Dividing in again, we're going to get minus 3 on top. Multiply this back out again. You get minus 3x minus 9 again. Draw a line, change sign, both become plus, we get a 0. So, in hindsight, so looking back, the important thing to do is to be very, very careful with drawing the line, changing the sign. And each time you just repeat each step as you move down the chain.